have dish soap, we have sugar, we have a spoon, we have a bowl, and we also have gloves. First, we'll add water. Woo. I do it myself. Okay. Oh. Next, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This here. Okay. Now stir into the dough. Next, we're gonna add a tablespoon of dish soap. So, now stir to the dough. Okay. Now we're gonna pour it into a bubble machine. Guys, this is where you need your gloves. Guys, let's go! Can we go in there? Oh, it's bouncing, not popping. The bubbles are too small, guys. Let's try something else. Oh, with that, you okay? It works, guys! Okay, it's not gonna pop. It's butter. Alright! Come on! Just let it, oh, it pops. Oh! What did you guys? Oh no! Don't make them fall! Why you make me fall? My bubble's doing good. My bubble's doing good, guys. Oh, it popped.